In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show how to add subtitles in Premiere Pro, like this one. I'm using this video as my background. Now I'm opening a new Captions. From this drop down, select Open Captions. Drag this caption above the video footage. Make the caption size equal to the video size. Double click on this text box. In this box, type your text here. Make this panel bigger so that you will see all the options. Make caption size smaller and bigger from here. From here we can make the background transparent. I'm giving here 80. To add more text, simply click on this plus icon and then here we'll open a new box. Write text here. Here we can see a new text has been added on this caption clip. In this way we can use unlimited text. Here we can see the video is playing and above this video subtitles are showing. That's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.